Well, hello all my friends and welcome back again. Today we're going to talk about if vaping is better for you than smoking. So let's get right to it. So now that you're here with me, we're going to take a list of the chemicals that are inside of cigarettes and whenever you combust them, and the chemicals that are inside of e-liquids whenever you vape them. So let's start out with the list for smoking and the chemicals that come with it. There's 4,000 chemicals, including 43 known carcinogenic compounds and 400 other toxins inside of cigarette smoke. Now here's just a handful of some of the carcinogens inside of the smoke itself. Hydrogen cyanide and formaldehyde, lead, arsenic and ammonia, benzene, tar, and rat poison. All of these chemicals have a very strong connection to some of the major health conditions, including heart disease, cancer, and lung disease. And the really funny part about all of this is you won't find almost 80% of these hard chemicals inside of cigarettes until you combust, set fire to a cigarette, and then that starts the chemical reaction. So in other words, the smoke is where all the carcinogenic compounds lie. Let's just take a look at this list and see how it stacks up compared to vaping. In the process of using a vaporizer, you're already removing the need to combust any materials at all. This is already removing 90% of the carcinogens found in the previous list from smoking. Now let's just take a little gander down to see what e-liquid has inside of it also. So for the first chemical is nicotine. This is the addictive chemical inside of e-liquid and cigarette smoke that keeps us coming back for more. But the great thing is you can choose to do 0 milligrams inside your e-liquid if you want to remove it from this list also. Number 2 is propylene glycol, number 3 is vegetable glycerin, and number 4 is natural and artificial flavorings. Now for natural and artificial flavorings, we can find these in almost any foods that we're going to consume throughout our day. Pretty much they've already been tested to be consumed inside the human body to be safe. I don't think they've been fully tested to see what they do whenever you vape them. But if you take the list previous of smoking and this list of vaping, you can pretty much see vaping is 97% cleaner and has already been said to be 97% cleaner for you. And you can see that this is correct if you just put both lists beside each other with a small amount of information that's been given by me. I am not a scientist. I do not go through and do this stuff inside a laboratory. It's not lab tested, but this is from information like some very big companies and other things that do these testings. And you can do all that research online. You don't have to take it from me. Do your research yourself, my friend. But my open opinion to you is that vaping is better than smoking. I can tell that because of the things that I can do now that I'm vaping compared to what I couldn't do when I was smoking. My last thought to you is to just do your research yourself and get as much as you can so you can destroy this habit. And if you already are vaping and you don't smoke anymore, congratulations for you. I am very happy and I know that you can keep and continue on doing this for yourself. Make sure you destroy that habit before it destroys you. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. And just keep in mind that the drawing for the giveaway will be coming out this week, so stay tuned to my channel. If you like this video, please smash that like button, my friends. If you want to see future content, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And make sure you hit the notification bell as well so you can see when the drawing for my giveaway is coming out this week. And just one more thing for you guys to keep in mind. Forget the haters.